Out there. So we have come up with another reading, and there's a special message in this read for all you guys out there who are listening to my videos on a daily basis and looking at all those messages that are coming your way and picking up what resonates and what does not. Okay, so if you like my videos, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so you may be notified whenever I post more videos on my channel. Okay, so we're just gonna start with a special message. Usually we do messages from the universe for the upcoming day, but the message that has come from universe tonight is actually a special message for the soulmates. So this is a very special message for all those people, all the soulmates, all the people who are in a relationship, separated, or not the ones who are looking for a relationship, but the ones who are actually separated and not in talking terms, or maybe not in very good relation with each other, or maybe haven't talked for quite a while. Okay, so this is a special message for all you guys out there who are separated and just need some advice from the universe. So let's see what the universe has in store for all of us for this read. So the very first card while I was meditating that I picked up was be bold and make the first move. So this is for all you guys listening out there. You need to be bold and make that first move so you can actually achieve what you want in life. In regards to your love and relationship aspect, somebody here has to make the first move, right? And also the move should be during the divine timing, because if we leave this time or let it go, this time's just gonna flow away, and then eventually again the same trials, and then maybe after 2 years, 3 years, the time will come back. It's actually telling me that you really need something. You strongly want that thing, but you are unsure what to do, like what to do in such a situation. So that is why the divine is saying, whatever message you're getting from the divine, take that message and make the move. Because someone has to make that move, right? If you want something so badly, there's no harm in making the move, there's no harm in trying that. And divine is there to support you. And divine is saying that she's there with all of you. The universe is with all of you. But we need to make a move. We need to do something in the physical world in order to get the thing that we are strongly asking from the divine. And that is gonna happen only when you make a move. You have to be positive in all aspects of life. You have to be positive every single time. We are all giving out energies into the universe. If we are fearful, we are giving that fearful energy out into the universe. And then what do we expect from the universe? Is the universe going to help you, or it's going to give you more fear? just be positive and make the move. Divine is giving you signals again and again and again, so pick up on those signals. Divine is telling you to do something, just go for it. Do it. Do not cross-check what's being told to you. Do not doubt on what's being told to you by the divine itself. Speak up for what you want. If you're serious about it, you have to speak up so things get sorted out soon. Otherwise, life is going to complicate more. You have to take the charge of your own life. You have to take the charge of your destiny. You have to send positive energies, positivity into the universe, so you can actually attract all that positivity, and all that fear will go by itself. You won't even have to ask that, remove my negative blockages. You won't even have to ask that from the divine. Divine will automatically remove all the negativity from your life once you release all the positive energy, once you are giving out all the positive energy into the universe. So be bold, follow what your heart is telling you and follow what your emotions are telling you right now. Come into your power. It's time for you to take the action. It's time for you to be bold. Something new is definitely on the horizon, but you have to move. You have to cross the line. You're standing right here. Divine is giving you all the signals that cross this line, so you can simply jump the wall and go to the other side and see what's there for you. You need to take the lead in a certain situation. And that is the message that you're getting from the divine. That are the signals that you're getting from the divine. Divine is on your side. Divine is helping you. Divine has already sorted out the whole matter. All you have to do is climb the wall and see what lies on the other side of the wall. You have to step out of your comfort zone. Also, you have to leave the past behind. If you keep digging onto that past, if you keep finding positivity from the past, you will never ever be able to move forward in life. You have to leave the past wherever it is. There's a new start right on the horizon. You just have to climb the wall. But just because you are unsure what lies on the other side of the wall, you are not making a climb. You are simply trying to find 0.1% of the positivity in your past, which has already ended. When the things end, do not keep digging into it and trying to find positive energy from there. You cannot get it. You will get 99% negative energy and maybe like 1% positive energy. Yes, that is satisfying. I can understand that is satisfying. Why? Because you know what is in the past. You don't know what lies when you climb this wall. But divine knows what she has in store for you. And eventually you will have to trust divine. If you don't take the step by yourself, divine's gonna give you a very big hit. And you will have nothing left that time. You will have nothing left. And the only option that will be in front of you will be to climb the wall. So why don't do it just by yourself and stop looking into the past. What past can give you? Past can't give you anything. It's the future that gives you everything. It's the present that gives you everything, not the past. You keep digging the past for 20 years, you will get nothing. You'll get nothing out of it except a frustrating life. So climb the wall, be bold, make the move, get out of your comfort zone, take the action. You are getting all the signals. You know what divine wants you to do. You cannot cross-check divine. You cannot say divine that show me what is there and then I'll see whether I need to climb it or not. This does not work with the universe. The universe is giving you 100, 200 times better thing than you already have right now. So for one person, I see that the person needs to make a bold move. You have to take a strong action for yourself, for your partner. You have to leave the past behind. Because if you're not making the change, you are making the other person suffer who's actually standing behind that wall. You're making that person suffer as well just because of not having that courage to, make the move. Do not make it difficult for yourself and for your soulmate or your twin flame. Do not make it difficult for both of you. When the paths were difficult, I understand. It was because divine wanted you to learn something, but now when the paths are easy, you are making it more complicated. And I don't see even one single reason behind that. I don't see one single reason behind not making the move, behind having all those fears when you know what divine's telling you to do. You have to, we all are here for a life purpose. You have to complete your life purpose. And your life purpose does not lie in your past. Your life purpose lies in the present and the future. Your life purpose lies on the other side of the wall. So climb the wall. Dare to do something. You are headed in the right direction and you know that. You need to face your fear and get over it. You've got it. You can do it. It's all in your hands. Your happiness, your satisfaction lies in your own hands. Let's see what else we have coming for all of us. See, the next card also says, show the world the real you. You need to show the world the actual person you are. Why are you holding yourself back? I do not understand it. Why are you pretending to be something you're not? And why do you want to do it whole of your life by just living in the past? Why do you want to pretend to be a human being that you are not? Why don't you just proudly say, I am this? and I am gonna show the world the real me. Why aren't you being proud of yourself rather than imitating other people? You think you'll get a recognition if you are pretending to be somebody? No, you won't. If you have to complete your life purpose, if you have to complete the divine purpose, you have to climb the wall and meet your soulmate, meet your twin flame, so you both can go on the same path and accomplish your dreams, accomplish the things that divine has sent you into the universe for. It's time, it's divine time for both of you to meet. Do not delay it by just having some little fears, and eventually you lose this time. This is the divine time. This is the time you're supposed to meet. Do not make it difficult for yourself. It's important for you to make this change. It is frightening, I understand, but you gotta make the progress. Till the time you don't climb the wall, you cannot move forward in your life. You have to move forward in your life. You need to complete the divine purpose. You need to fulfill the purpose that you came on the earth for. Be aware of your feelings. You are living in your past with somebody else. You need to be aware of your feelings right now. You are simply staying in the past because you're thinking that you know this person. No, I can assure you, you still do not know the person you are with. That person shows you a new image of that person every single time, and you think you know that person. You do not. You have to leave the past behind in order to move. Get into your heart. See what your heart is saying. See what your heart is asking for. See what your feelings are telling you. The situation is going to take a very unexpected turn. You simply have to trust the divine process. Do not let your fears come in between all of that. It's time for you to take the action. Your health is in good standing. Your everything else is in good standing. All you have to do is make this clever step of moving out of the past. You have to move out of that past in order to meet your person, in order to meet the person who's already waiting for you. That person also knows. That person's waiting just for you. That person, you're thinking maybe that person doesn't have something like that in mind. That person knows you much more than you know yourself. And the person knows the path more than you know this path. So gradual improvements are definitely coming your way, but you have to pay attention. You have to pay attention to all your feelings. You have to pay attention to every single thing happening around you. Stop digging into the past. You're just gonna get heavy. It's gonna get heavy on you. on your emotions. Do not dig into it anymore. This is not the time to dig into the past. This is the time to have a happy life with your soulmate. It's your divine time. Just go for it. Go for it. Take the action. Be bold. That is what the divine is telling you at the moment. Do not suffer and do not make the other person suffer who already knows. The person already knows that he or she is waiting for you. Do not make the path complicated. It was complicated before because Divine wanted both of you to learn something before you can get into union. But now, it's time for you to get into this union. It's time for you to stand for each other and leave your past behind. So that was the message that I was getting for all the soulmates or twin flames, whosoever are in separation or whosoever are in complicated relationships at the moment. This is a message for all you guys out there from the divine. If you're listening to this, be bold and take the action. Nothing is left to dig into the past. Nothing is left there. If you're trying to find positivity in the past, you will only get more emotional or more emotionally weak, I would say. So don't run towards the past. Just see what the divine has in store for you. Okay, so this was the message for all you soulmates and twin flames out there. Whosoever is listening to my videos, if it resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like my videos, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next one. Bye.